Hello guys, today I'm going to share my new simple strategy that will help you earn $1,766 on binary options trading. Don't miss my new working trading strategies. Subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all updates. The path to success begins right now. Please like us and let's take the first step together in this exciting journey. Are you ready? So come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks. You can use your strategies that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. The most exciting part of my video is my new strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. My strategy consists of two key indicators, a rune and fractal chaos bands. With the help of these indicators, I determine in which direction our chart will go. It's very simple. If the line in the indicator intersects with a downward reversal, this is our downside signal. Similarly, and vice versa, another indicator shows the overall movement of the chart, which will also help us make decisions. Simple and clear. And now the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings. I leave the standard settings for the indicator. Now turn on the candles. Set the interval to 1 minute and the transaction time is 30 seconds. And you can start. I start with the amount of $130. It is from this amount that we will leave at $1,766. We open the NZD/USD OTC currency pair and open our first trade for an increase in the amount of $130. Here, we observe the intersection of the line in the indicator towards the rise. This is our signal to increase. We also see the general upward movement of the chart. We see how our first deal confidently goes into the plus. The balance is $249. Are you ready to conquer the financial peaks? Join our trading group and receive signals for successful trades. Let's build your financial future together. The link to the group in the description. We put the amount of $249 on the second deal. Analyze the situation and make a deal to increase. There is a general upward movement of the chart, the intersection of lines towards the right of the chart. This is our signal to increase. There is nothing better than being confident in your choice, and my choice is Pocket Option. This is an honest and transparent broker that gives only positive emotions. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start earning with this incredible platform. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. Our second deal ends in a plus and our balance is already $479. Now we are increasing our transaction amount by $479. And now we are looking for the next situation that suits us. And this time we open a deal for an increase in the amount of $479. In this case, the indicator shows us the rise of the chart, and this is a confident signal to increase. The deal is over. The next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $920. The last trade will be for an increase in the amount of $920. In this case, the indicator shows us a general upward movement and line crossings towards the rise of the chart. So the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $1,766. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $1,766 from $130. All our deals were confidently successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategy that I showed you. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Wish you good luck and good profits. Bye-bye. Are you in search of ways to boost your income through trading? So join my Telegram channel now and take the advantage of the bonuses available on Pocket Option through my referral link. This could be your ticket to ramping up your earnings. If you are intrigued, so give this a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for updates on signals. Can't wait to connect with you soon, fellow future crypto millionaires. So bye-bye.